Justin Baldoni recently spoke out about the ongoing legal dispute involving Blake Lively and the New York Times, stating that he believes it's up to the jury to decide whether or not the publication is responsible for the situation. The legal battle revolves around an article published by the NYT that Blake Lively has claimed misrepresented her and caused damage to her reputation. Blake Lively filed a lawsuit against the newspaper, alleging that the article in question contained false information and was harmful to her public image. According to the lawsuit, Lively feels that the NYT intentionally portrayed her in a negative light, affecting both her personal and professional life. The actress, who is known for her role in Gossip Girl and her work as an entrepreneur, has maintained that the claims made in the article were not true and that the publication acted with negligence. In a recent interview, Justin Baldoni, a close friend of Lively, was asked for his thoughts on the ongoing legal case. He expressed his belief that this matter is something that should ultimately be left for a jury to decide. The truth will come out, and it's not for us to say who's right or wrong at this point, Baldoni said. It's in the hands of the legal system, and we need to let the process play out. Baldoni, who has been a strong supporter of Lively throughout the dispute, also mentioned that the public should be careful when discussing the case as there are many complexities involved. He emphasized that everyone involved deserves a fair chance to present their side of the story and that it's important to respect the legal proceedings. Blake Lively has remained relatively quiet about the specifics of the case in the media, but has been vocal in her pursuit of justice. Her legal team has argued that the NYT's actions were both defamatory and damaging, and they are seeking damages as part of the lawsuit. The actress is also advocating for stricter accountability for media outlets when it comes to publishing false or misleading information. The NYT, on the other hand, has denied any wrongdoing and stands by the article that has been the center of the controversy. They argue that the publication followed all ethical guidelines in their reporting and that the article was based on factual information. They also claim that the lawsuit is an attempt to silence the press and restrict free speech. As the case continues, the legal battle will likely become a focal point for discussions surrounding media ethics and the rights of public figures to protect their reputations. Justin Baldoni's comments reflect a broader sentiment of waiting for the legal system to determine the outcome of the case. He concluded by stating that the process should be allowed to unfold without undue influence from outside parties. As the trial moves forward, all eyes will remain on the courtroom, where a jury will ultimately decide if the New York Times should be held accountable for its reporting on Blake Lively.